It's not recording audio, right?
It is, but we can just take it out and put something else over it.
Okay. I'd actually like to keep a little bit of the audio from this, if we can. Hi, my name's Arthur, and welcome to No Garage. As you can see, there's no garage, but there is this. Meet Project Bonita. Granted, this is not going to be too much of a project because it's my daily driver, but you know, I'm still going to be maintaining it. It's from 1996. It's got a 2.2 liter. It's the base model, naturally aspirated, 5-speed manual, which is exactly what you want. And planning to maintain this, and as well as post some driving POV videos, and you guys can follow along with me on that. So far what the car needs is not too much. It needs some suspension work, as you can see. And up here on the sunroof, there's a little bit of rust, which I plan to sand down and really take care of that. But for the most part, pretty clean. It's got 57,000 miles. It lived in Hawaii and Florida for most of its life, so warm weather. Luckily, no rust except for the sunroof. And yeah, I mean, it's been a blast to drive it. I've been driving it for 2,000 miles, almost 2,000 miles, and just absolutely thrilled with it. Like, just feeling it go through the motions of the manual and driving through twisty roads. I mean, it's extremely fun. You know, I honestly think it's probably one of the better cars in the world, but it's really great. And I'll come with me and I can show you around, and yeah. Here's a warm start and some revving. That's all, folks. If you enjoyed the video, stick around. Shout out to Caroline and her parents and my parents. Everyone's just been super helpful. And yeah, that's all.